This is the T80Z Fast-Fit electric shower. In this tutorial I'm going to show you all the water and cable entry points to the shower. I'll just remove the cover. For ease in this tutorial I've removed the top left, top right and bottom securing screws from the cover. When we remove the cover we can see in this installation that the water is coming in from the rear to the left hand side as you look at it, likewise for the cable. What I'll do now is I'll just move over to one that I've got on the table. So this is the T80Z Fast-Fit. We're going to further look at the cable and the pipe entry points on the shower. So if we look at the top first, we have a pipe entry either side and a cutout for cable entry either side as well, and on the bottom we have a similar arrangement, 2 pipe entry points and 2 cable entry points, plus on the left hand side and the right hand side we also have pipe entry points. That would make 6 cable and 8 pipe entry points in total. Okay, if I just remove the trim plate, what you can see now is you can see the swivel elbow arrangement for the water inlet, so you can either come left or right, and also we have 2 earthing points, so there's no need to move the earthing point across, but what we can do is move the live and neutral termination across to the other side. So using a number 2 posi drive, all I've done is remove the securing screw and I'm going to move it across to this side to locate it firstly in the top one and one just below the screw hole. And then once that has been done, all we need to do is reattach the terminal block by doing up the screw, and that is how easy it is and how versatile it is to fit the Triton T80Z Fast-Fit. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the Triton T80Z Fast-Fit or any other Triton showers in the range, please go to the Triton website or the YouTube channel.